All right, today we're going to dive into an ancient idea with a really strange but powerful promise: how to achieve more by actually trying less. It's a concept called Wu Wei, which is basically the art of effortless action. And believe me, it's a radical alternative to our modern obsession with just pushing harder all the time.
You know this feeling, right? It's that sensation of just grinding away, putting in a ton of effort, but you're just not getting anywhere. It's like you're paddling like crazy, but some invisible current keeps pulling you back, and you just end up exhausted and, well, completely frustrated.
I mean, our entire culture, everything around us, tells us to hustle, to grind it out, to force our will onto every single situation. But what if that's the problem? What if that's the very source of our struggle? What if the real power isn't in forcing things, but in a completely different way of thinking? Okay, so first up, let's really unpack this modern struggle, this constant feeling that we have to force everything to happen. We see the results of this everywhere. So-called hustle culture just leads to burnout. We make these super careful plans, and when they fall apart, we're left completely frustrated. We try to jam solutions onto problems where they just don't fit. And all that constant effort, all that pushing, it leads to one place: total exhaustion. It's just a draining cycle of push and resist. So if brute force isn't the answer, then what is? Well, to figure that out, we need to look to an ancient philosophy that offers a profound alternative: the way of the Tao. Now, this idea has incredibly deep roots. We're talking thousands of years, back to a figure named Laozi and the core text of Taoism, the Tao Te Ching. And honestly, the wisdom in this ancient book about living in harmony with the world, it feels more urgent right now than maybe ever before. At the very heart of this philosophy is the Tao. Now, the Tao isn't a god or a deity. Think of it more like the natural underlying flow of the universe itself. It's like a cosmic current that runs through everything, the ultimate path of least resistance, whether we pay attention to it or not. And that brings us right to the central practice for aligning with that cosmic current: Wu Wei. Now, it's a concept that sounds like a total paradox. It's often translated as the art of not doing. Okay, first things first, let's clear up some huge misconceptions. Not doing does not mean laziness, it doesn't mean being passive, and it's definitely not about just giving up. No way. The real meaning is so much more powerful. It's about spontaneous, intelligent action that just flows naturally when you're in harmony with a situation. The key here is that Wu Wei really means effortless action. You know that feeling when you're completely in the zone or in a state of flow? That's Wu Wei. It's when your actions are so perfectly aligned with the moment that they feel frictionless, almost like things are happening through you, not by you. So just to hammer this home, this is not about sitting on the couch and doing nothing. It's about acting, but without struggle. It's the difference between trying to force an outcome versus allowing it to unfold with kind of ease and precision. So how do we really get our heads around this? Well, the ancient Taoists gave us the perfect metaphor, one that makes this abstract idea totally concrete. Be like water. This quote from the Tao Te Ching is just beautiful, and it captures the paradox perfectly. Water seems so soft, so yielding, right? But its quiet, persistent strength can wear down the hardest stone. It doesn't fight, it flows. And that is our model for Wu Wei. Just think about the wisdom of water for a second. It adapts effortlessly, right? It takes the shape of whatever contains it. When it hits an obstacle, it doesn't try to smash through it. It yields, it flows around it. Through that gentle persistence, a little drip can carve a path through solid rock. And it always, always seeks the path of least resistance, finding its way forward without a big fight. That is Wu Wei in its purest form. Okay, so this is all fascinating philosophy, but the big question is, how do we actually apply this ancient wisdom to our modern, chaotic lives? Let's get into the practical side of things. It all starts with a new mindset. So, instead of rushing in, first just observe. Understand the natural currents of the situation. Then learn to recognize timing. Act when the moment is right, not just for the sake of being busy. And always ask yourself, what is the least amount of force needed here for the greatest effect? And finally, and this is the hardest one for most of us, release your attachment to one specific outcome. Trust the process and be ready to adapt. You know, this really says it all. You can completely exhaust yourself by rowing frantically against the wind, fighting for every single inch. Or you can observe, wait, and skillfully use your sail to catch that same wind. harnessing the power of nature, the Tao, to carry you forward with ease. One path is struggle, the other is Wu Wei.
So as we wrap this up, I want to leave you with this to think about. What's one hard problem in your own life right now? A place where you feel like you're just pushing against a giant rock. What do you think might happen if you stopped pushing and instead decided to be like water?